Breaking apart rays. Let's look at the problem 14 times 19. We can draw an array of 14 rows and 19 columns. Next, we can break them into easier numbers. Let's break 19 into 10 plus 9. Each yellow section contains 10 x's. There are still 14 rows, so there are 10 columns of 14. This can be written as 10 times 14. Each green section contains 9 x's. There are still 14 rows, so there are 9 columns of 14. This can be written as 9 times 14. We can break them down to even more easier numbers. The top section is 10 columns and 10 rows, and it can be written as 10 times 10. The bottom yellow section is 10 columns and 4 rows, and it can be written as 10 times 4. The top green section has been broken down into 9 columns and 10 rows, which can be written as 9 times 10. The section on the bottom is 9 columns and 4 rows, which can be written as 9 times 4. Next, we can multiply our partial products. 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 4 is 40, 9 times 10 is 90, and 9 times 4 is 36. Now we can add our partial products to find our answer. 100 plus 40 plus 90 plus 36 equals 266. The answer, 14 times 19, is 266. Now let's look at the open area model. Let's begin the open area model by breaking each factor by place value. 47 can be broken into 40 plus 7, and 96 can be broken into 90 plus 6. Next, we can draw a box for our area model and place our new addition equations outside our box. We can multiply each number in the area model. We'll start by multiplying 90 times 40, which gives us 3,600, 6 times 40, which is 240, 90 times 7, which is 630, and finally 6 times 7, which is 42. Now we can add our partial products in each box. 3,600 plus 240 plus 630 plus 42 equals 4,512. 47 times 96 is 4,512. Now let's look at using equations to multiply these numbers. Let's begin by separating each factor by place value. 38 would be broken into 30 plus 8, and 67 would be broken into 60 plus 7. Next, we'll use the distributive property to make sure that each add-in is multiplied separately, and then we'll add the products. We'll say 7 times 8, which is 56, 7 times 30, which is 210, 60 times 8, which is 480, and 60 times 30, which is 1,800. All these numbers add up to 2,546. So our answer is 38 times 67 is 2,546.